Hi, welcome back to my channel. Shout out to the following: El Prisco, Bea TV channel.
Like a bird on a
For more
tree.
videos, please consider visiting our playlists: Photoshop with t-shirt printing, Filmora video editing tutorials, Corel Draw with t-shirt printing, military news update, YouTube tips, makeup tutorials, cooking and salads, basic accounting tutorials, sorry, skincare, travel vlog.
It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
First, go to Media and then click Sample Color. Let's add a black background color for our text. Then, adjust the duration for about 4 seconds or whatever you like. Now, add text to our timeline. Make it the same size. And press delete to remove the excess part. Double-click the text on the timeline and click Advanced. Let's type the word welcome, as example for our intro. Then choose the font you like and adjust the size. Make sure also that it is properly aligned. Let's adjust up also the duration of the animation effect. Then, click Animation and choose whatever you like. For demo purposes, let's use Cross Zoom Animation effect and click OK. Then, go to Effects, click Filters and then choose Shake. Drag the Extreme Effect thumbnail into the timeline. Cut the excess and press Delete. Then, click Distortion and drag the chromatic aberration into the timeline. You can add sound effect if you like to. And now, our shaky text effect for our intro is ready to use. That is all for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.